Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix charging issue in your Pulse AI smartphone. So let's get started. Friends, first you have to check if your wire is broken when you are charging, or you have to check your adapter first if it is charging from another smartphone, and if it is not, then you have to open your settings. Sometimes it's a bug or some glitches in the mobile, so you have to click on apps, click on see all apps, just click on show system apps, and right here Android, like this, and click on Android system and clear cache this setting. Friends, you can see here it is Android system. You have to click on storage and cache, simply clear cache this. Friends, then you have to click on this Play Store and click on this settings. Here you will see network preferences. Turn off this auto update apps, so it will fix your charging problem if it is very slow sometimes. So you have to disable this, or disable the software update automatically. It will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.